Okay, now I'm gonna show you this Voightlander Vito II camera. Comes with a box. Comes with a manual. Very nice. Front, back, top, bottom, side, the other side. I like this folding camera, it's very interesting. Let me see. Oh yeah, this camera is special in the sense that I can't fire it before I wind it, so I need to load the film in order to test. So yeah, it's different from the Pronto 2. This is a Vito 2, so there's some differences. You can see the glass, quality of the glass. So put it in the film. So to rewind it, just push up this one, then you can rewind. I think I didn't insert it correctly the first time. Let me do it again. Let me put it more down there, like further down, so it doesn't get distorted. So yeah, you can see. So as I said again, if you lift this up, then you can rewind the film. But yeah, so far it's tight. Change the starting point. Yeah, so deploy the camera, show you the glass. Let me do bulk mode. Oh yeah, I need to wind first. Okay. So this is bulk mode. Let me change aperture. So the blade, they work. Okay. See, you activate the shutter. So now it's first frame. Let's try other speeds. Let's try 1 second. Oh yeah, because I didn't cock the shutter. Sorry, forgot. So 1 second. Come on, come on, come on, come on. So it's stuck in a slower speed. Sorry for that. Let's do half second. So with this kind of camera I can do multiple exposures on one frame. Half second. Okay, let's do 1/10. Still same. 1/25. Yeah, 1/25 is okay. So yeah, let's do 1/50. Okay, 1/50 is okay. 1/100. Okay. 1/300. Okay. Again. Okay. 1/50. Okay. 1/25. Okay. 1/10. 1/10 is stuck. Fortunately. Maybe need to put some oil over it. Yeah. So on the faster speeds it works. Yeah, need to wind again. Cock it. Not sure. So let me turn on the flashlight.